Today's video will cover the steps to properly install ICO Gold Seam, a specialized product designed to help protect roofs from water infiltration. ICO Gold Seam is a multi-purpose roofing tape which can be used in a variety of deck protection applications. This video will highlight ICO Gold Seam's two most common applications. First, as a seam tape for roof deck sealing, and secondly, as an optional perimeter sealing membrane at the eave fascia joint. Although a roll of ICO Gold Seam can be unrolled into place easily, it may be helpful to pre-cut the roll into convenient lengths of about 10 to 15 feet. In certain regions, particularly those where high winds are not uncommon, some building codes require complete deck protection. Compliance with this code requirement can be achieved by simply covering deck panel joints with ICO Gold Seam in conjunction with a subsequent layer of synthetic underlayment. Apply ICO Gold Seam to a clean, dry deck from the low to the high point of the roof in shingle fashion so that laps overlap to shed water. Center the tape over roof deck joints or seams. Peel off 6 to 12 inches of release film from one end and begin applying with firm, uniform pressure with a hand roller over the entire surface of the tape. Allow 4 to 6 inch overlaps between successive pieces of tape. ICO recommends covering the taped deck with roof underlayment as soon as possible. The second principal use for ICO Gold Seam is sealing any other gaps in the roof structure, such as small spaces where the roof deck joins the fascia at the eave. Depending on the construction detail and the accuracy of the framing and carpentry work, there may be a gap in this critical location that cannot be adequately protected from water infiltration by the drip edge or deck protector membrane. If such is the case on your roof, install ICO Gold Seam to cover the gap, centering the tape over the gap and using a hand roller to ensure adhesion to all surfaces. Continue roof application with deck protection and/or underlayment, drip edge, roof starter, and shingles. ICO Gold Seam is also a recommended solution for gaps in other areas of the roof structure. So whether it's roof deck sealing or perimeter sealing, ICO Gold Seam has you covered. Thanks for watching. For more great roofing information, check out our other ICO product installation videos.